Thank you for watching this video. My name is Dr. John Huang. We're going to demonstrate a chiropractic adjustment in my office. Now, he has a little bit of chest pain. Came from a car accident. We're going to look at how we're going to adjust. I'm going to adjust his rib cage right in the front right now. And here we go. I'm going to get the clavicle, and then I'm going to get the sternum right after that. I could do once or twice. Usually twice is good for you. So the table is it's probably nice a table drops like that by itself. So that's the clavicle, and I'm going to do some sternum adjustment on him. So we just adjust his sternum. Now we're going to move to his neck. Let me show you how I adjust the neck here. I did a palpation on his neck first. I'm going to adjust him now. Good. Good. Very good. Let's go down lower neck. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now we're going to move and adjust his upper back. I call this hug adjustment because I hug the guy and adjust him. Here we go. I lower the table, and now I'm going to hug him. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, that was a nice one. Now we are going to adjust his lower back. Turn on this side here. Very good. I'll move the headpiece so he can feel comfortable. He's got the leg bent already very well here. So I'm going to adjust his lower back. Breathe in, breathe out. Good, good. Otro lado. I'll lower the table just a little bit more, just like that for him. Breathe in and breathe out. I know. Well, this is how a typical adjustment happens in my office. Please like this video and share the video and hit the subscribe buttons when you see the next video pop up. Thank you. Have a good day.